In this video, I'll show you how you can fade in and fade out in DaVinci Resolve 16. So this is actually quite simple to do, and I'll just show you how this works. I'm not gonna waste your time. So this is the clip that I'm gonna do this with. So make sure you open the clip in your timeline. Next up, click on Effects Library right there, and then click on the toolbox. So you wanna open the toolbox just like that, and then click on Video Transitions, and then you wanna find cross dissolve. Okay, don't use the additive dissolve, that's not the good one. Don't use the blur one, use the cross one. Then drag that over here, and let's see if that works. Let me do that again. Yes, there you go. Next up, to fade out, you want to drag this over here, and there you go. So all you need to do next is basically like select this, and then basically like drag this over to how far you want to take this, just like that, and you'll see that right now I have a fade in and fade out, and there you go. So because I actually made this quite long, it takes a while, and then it will also fade out right here. There you go. So it's kind of laggy right now, I'm not sure why, but that's how you can do this. So if this video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments down below, and comment down below if it works. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.